Hey guys, I wanted to make this quick video to share some Maui investor success stories with you. These success stories are from the past couple years. I haven't added quite all of them in yet, but just wanted to highlight a few that were really great. So let's dive right in. This one was a single family home in Highly Miley. It was purchased for $585. Um, there's quite a bit of rehab that went into it, and I know the owner did a lot of sweat equity. So the rehab costs may have actually been, in fact, a little bit higher if they hadn't done themselves, but they did net about 244 from the sale. They were able to sell it for 971 about a year after purchasing. The next house is a foreclosure that was bought by an investor, and they bought this house. It was all boarded up. It was the neighborhood eyesore, and it was purchased at $450. They never did sell it. They actually moved a family member into it and rented out some of the other units. They made it into 3 total units, and they had it appraised during the refinancing once they fixed it up, and it appraised for $1.1 million. Another really awesome deal was this 3-unit duplex plus cottage in Kula. And this one was purchased completely off market. This was one that I sourced personally from a wholesaler, and there was just minimal rehab needed, and within those 6 months, there was easily $240,000 in equity. They purchased the property on the low end, and there was also just minimal rehab needed to get some tenants in, just cosmetic stuff. So that was a great win, and they still own that property. They haven't sold it. This one was a house plus a cottage that was flipped in Kula. They purchased it for $884, and we were able to sell it about a year later for $1.6 million. There was quite a bit of rehab that went into it, but overall nothing crazy structural, but there was definitely a water line issue in one of the houses. So the timing of the market couldn't have been better with this one. They did a really great job. And then this last one is a buy and hold in progress. This is a client that bought this home for a little over $1 million. And both homes were in massive disrepair. So they estimated about $300,000 in rehab cost. They're still in the midst of rehabbing the main home. They did remodel the cottage already. So they do have an estimated rental income of about $10,800. That's on the low side, to be honest. And then the after repair value, market value, around 1.9, but could easily be closer to 2.2 because this property is on over an acre of land in Kula. So the estimated ARV equity is right around $550,000. And then this is a sample of what I like to send out to investors when we see a property that comes on the market that looks like a great deal. We will gather a ton of information, put together all those sheets of information on a Google Drive, and then send them a Google Drive link, send you the MLS link, and then give you a breakdown of what a suggested offer price would be, and then estimating out all the closing cost and rehab cost, and then giving them some comps with an after repair value, and then resale closing costs, and just a net income estimated, both high and low, just depending on market, just the nature of the market at that time. And then obviously you always want to consider your exit strategy when investing. So we put that on there, and our Google Drive link has tons of videos to the properties just to give investors a really easy way to digest what they're looking at. So if you need help with investing, I'd love to help, and just excited to share these success stories with you. Give me a call or a text anytime, or just respond to this email or text, however you got this. And I'd love to chat with you. Have a great day.